Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks that you can do on this device. And starting off, we're going to begin with the dark mode, which you can enable in two different ways. But the simplest one is through the notification panel. There should be a toggle somewhere in here, so you can simply tap on it once you find it, and as you can see, everything turns into dark mode. Now, unfortunately, this is not a OLED display, so it will not be saving any battery on the dark background, so that's a little bit of a shame, but still brings a little bit of a more modern look to your device. And this spreads over to settings and also majority of the default apps, as you will see right here. So as you can see, messages, dialer, messages seems to not be included, but the dialer, settings, gallery, as you can see, majority of them are included. Then moving on, we're going to go into option that will be probably very helpful on this device, which is the game turbo. And what it does is simply gives more resources to a specific task on the device. So if we go into special features, the game turbo, let's agree, and from here it will try to boost the performance of the apps that it will be launching from here, primarily games in this case, by limiting everything else on the device. So any app that would be normally running in the background, as we have some right now, would be basically terminated, and it would just try to squeeze as much performance into just the gaming section. Then moving on, we're going to go into the second space option, which is also in the special features right here, and this allows us to add a second space. Now let me quickly elect the device. Now as you can see, I have a pattern right here, and the unlock pattern is on this thing right here, so keep that in mind. And this is just to get to the device. And if I turn on a second space, give it a moment, it needs to process a little bit. But at the start, when we get to set it up, we'll need to create a new passcode for it, which will be specific for the second space. And from there, once it's created, you can use that passcode to access the second space and have files, photos, anything completely separate from your main device. So where we are right now, it will be completely separated from the new space. Stop and continue, switch between spaces, and we have actually two options. So we can do it either using a password, which that's what I would advise, or using a shortcut, which will create an app on your main space, which you can tap on and it will simply go to the second space. Stop and continue and stick with the password. And here we have set password, so let's tap on start. And now, as you can see, it first tells us to confirm the first space, so let's confirm it with this pattern. And then set second space password. So I'm gonna go the exact opposite way, like so. And once it's set, there we go. Once it's set, it should launch the second space. And there we go. So just as an example, I'm gonna capture a couple of photos here just to show how it will work also. So there we go. Now if I go into gallery, you should see only two photos right here. And there we go, there are the two photos. So that's all you can find in here, obviously. And also keep in mind, for instance, the wallpaper that is on this space specifically, it's this kind of, well, single color. Now if we lock the device, we have now a pattern to unlock it, and if you use the pattern that we have set for the second space, it will go into the second one, but if we use the other one, it will go back to the first space. And as you can see, there we go, we have a different wallpaper here. Also, if I launch gallery, you'll see that there is, well, several more photos in here, completely different than what we have had on the, well, second space. So moving on to another one, it's going to be the hiding password option, and by default the easiest way to show this is when you go into the Wi-Fi and you need to put in a password. So there we go. When you start typing it in, it shows the first letter, well, the latest letter you have pressed, which isn't very secure in my opinion. So to change this, let's go into the settings, and from here, password and security, scroll down to privacy and show password, disable that. And if we go back to Wi-Fi now, you can see that there is no more letter visible. It's becoming an instant dot. So just adds a little bit more security to the device. And the last thing that I wanted to show would be in a home screen. And from here you can change your home screen layout, as you can see, to accommodate more apps. It will also fit more apps in the dock itself, so you could grab it, move it over here, and simply just increases the space you can use and have less pages, as an example. But this will conclude all the tweaks and tricks that are on the show, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.